Good morning. Here we are in the gym. It's Friday morning. It's shoulder day. So today we've got shoulder press, seated shoulder press, and there's 3 sets of 10. Then we've got some auxiliaries at 3 sets of 12, and we've got a new auxiliary that I haven't done in a while. So the standing auxiliaries that we do, I've got the lateral raises and the front raises, and then we've got wrist curls. So I haven't done wrist curls in quite some time, so I'm gonna do some forearm work, get the old wrist curls and reverse wrist curls done. I've got the easy bar set up already for the wrist curls, and then I'll reduce the weight and do some reverse wrist curls. So we got those are our weight workout, and then we've got the shoulder PT work. So I've got the shoulder stretch, 2 sets of 45 seconds again, and we're gonna continue doing those shoulder stretches, see if we can make those shoulders better. So these are, keep them maintained. So anyway, that's our workout, and then we'll head out on the pavement and walk, jog, or walk or something. We'll see what happens when I get out there, what I can stand. So yeah, this is Sojourner Vision. Welcome to the channel, and this is Russell. So you guys, here we go. Let's hit it. Week 2 resistance is in the books. So back half of week 2 is done as far as weightlifting goes. We got tomorrow's ab burner routine, and then we'll be done with the week. So yeah, workout went well. Shoulders felt really good. That's just probably, I don't know how, I hope I keep saying it, that they're better than they were the last time I did shoulder press. Because every time, I think the 2 weeks off was a pretty good benefit. I'm gonna have to remember that and just kind of maybe take it easy for a couple weeks every, I don't know, every half a year, maybe a couple times a year or something. But yeah, they feel pretty good. Yeah, shoulder press, even the lateral raises, front raises. And of course I added the forearm work, the wrist curls. Got the weights right on that finally on the second set. Well, I only did 2 sets for the final set of the wrist curls. Started with 35 pounds, which is a couple of 10s on the easy bar curl, on the easy bar. And then added a 2.5 to make it 40. So that was 40 was the right weight. I should have done both sets with 40. And then for reverse wrist curls, that's a lot less weight. Just the 2.5 pounds. I remember that. I think I got to the 5s once, but yeah, it's been so long since I've done those. I figured I was back down to the 2.5s, which is 20 pounds. So yeah, those were good. And then of course the PT work, the shoulder stretch. Always feels good. It feels like I'm getting more and more mobility in my shoulder when I do those. Like I have more range of motion, can stretch them back a little further. And of course I'm applying the pressure as at the end of the stretch so that I can work those muscles out at the stretch. So yeah, that's working out pretty good. So yeah, those went well. And of course the walk jog, still a little out of breath from that. I ended up at a high 1140s. I don't remember what it was, 1147, 1148, somewhere in there. So yeah, that was good. Picked them up and put them down a little bit harder this time. My final jog was a little further distance. So it was more than a quarter mile. So actually I jogged it all the way to the driveway and then walked up the driveway instead of the quarter mile walking the rest of the road and then jogging up the driveway. I just jogged all the way to the driveway. So yeah. All right, so that's Friday. Let's get Friday on the road, folks. We are here. So you guys have a great Friday. Let's get this weekend started. Go out there and get some longevity training in, folks, so you can meet H. Grace. Go do it. This is Sojourner Vision. Be safe. See ya.